What's up, guys? Finally got this thing back together. Got about 100 miles on it so far. It's been about an 8-month process to even get it close to where I can drive it. Talking like new rings, new rod bearings, new turbo, cat delete, full head rebuild. I mean, it's just been totally apart. I'm going to include some of the build photos and the stuff that I did. The only thing I really sent out was I sent the head out to a machine shop to have them put a new surface on it, install valve guides, and put a new surface on the valves. Other than that, I did it all here in this one little carport. And I literally used that box of tools. Don't let people fool you that Audis and German cars take all these fancy tools. Given they do take a few special sockets and things. But that doesn't mean you can't build these things in your garage, you know, like, no biggie. So I'm going to include some build photos, and I went out and took it for a little rip. I can't romp on it yet. I'm still running break-in oil, so I can't really give it any RPM or any full throttle. There'll be plenty of that to come. I'm going to put 500 miles on this Royal Purple break-in oil. This is the oil I'm currently running. Once I get the 500 miles on it, I'm going to switch over to Castrol GTX. This is the oil I always run, and I can attend to it that it's solid. So these are the things I got left to do before I can really start dailing it. The water pump's making noise, tire rods are shot, driver's CV axle's popping. Got that new filtered intake I'm gonna have to build. With this aftermarket turbo, we got a big giant cone filter we're gonna have come off of here or something, because it just doesn't quite work with this high flow intake tube. But more to come later. Enjoyed these build photos and the little rip, and stay tuned because this thing's just going to get built more and more.